Okay. Drive stick 3 inches. OSP drive stick. Texas rig. Okay. OSP drive stick. Texas rig. Let's fish. Hello, this is Angawaki. In this video, I'll be fishing a saltwater jetty with the OSP drive stick. It was a very tough winter morning, but this lure brought me some luck. The Texas rig and free rig worked well with this. I hope you enjoy my fishing footage. OSP drive stick. I like this lure. This is a great lure for bass fishing with a weightless Texas rig, no sinker rig. But I believe this lure should also be good for saltwater fishing. Yeah, that's why I'm using it now. Anyway, let's fish. Come on. This is a stick type bait. No tails, no arms, no fins. When we reel it in, we cannot feel any reactions from the lure. So, for the beginners, and this type of bait are a little bit difficult to use. We just need to be patient and trust it. Imagine how the lure swim in the range. Even without any parts like fins, the lure should vibrate a tail drifting in the current. It will make a subtle action, really natural motion. That should become the fish eaters that I believe in. Let's try lifting and pouring. Okay. Off the jetty, it's a sand bottom. So I hope California halibut are hanging around over there. When it gets closer to the jetty, these huge rocks and weeds scattering around. Spotted webers, bird sunbass, and calico. I wish those fish make a bite on my lure. And I also need to carefully manipulate the rig because it's easy to get snagged. Rocks has a lot of muscles on the surface. I mean, clam shells, oyster shells, mussel shells. The rig easily get tangled with them. And if the main line touches them, the shell will rip my line off. So I have to be super careful. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Calico, yes. Nice bite. Calico, yes. OSP drive stick. Texas rig. Wow. Yep. Re-rig. Okay, re-rig. I see redfish along the shoreline, along the edge of the jetty. Let's fish the border of the rocks and the sand bottoms. Focus. Focus. It's easily to get snagged. Just like bass fishing, cover fishing for bass, short range pitching, and fish the bottom. Okay. Okay, fish. Yes. Gotta go. Really. Drive stick. Yes. Yes. OSP drive stick. Free leg. Carico-chan. Yes, Carico. It was super tough this morning, but yes, I somehow managed to 2 calico. Great. Okay. baby calico. Wow, so cute. Super cutie. Thank you. Yes. Can I still use this? I think I could. No, I can't. How about this? A little bit ugly, but I think I finally found a pattern. My GoPro went to overheat, but yes, another baby calico. Okay, it's time to go home. OSP drive stick. Yes, it was a very slow morning. It was a typical winter morning. It's a great weather today. Actually, it's hot. But even warm, sunny Southern California, winter is winter. It's the toughest fishing season of year. So I'm so happy I somehow managed 4 calico, 2 are okay size, other two sweet, cute babies. But anyway, yeah, I somehow managed 4 fish. It's great, yeah. Much better than nothing. Okay, OSP Drive Stick. I hope many of you folks try out this lure soon and get a big success. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and share this video to your friends and fishing communities. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.